So if you're watching this video, then chances are there that you might be stuck with your DSLR not being able to touch focus. So how to fix that issue? So first of all, we will see how that issue looks like. So let's say this is the screen, and if you're trying to focus on any of the objects, you are unable to do so, and most likely you are a beginner in your photography skills, so you might not know how to fix this. Well, this is quite simple. So even I was stuck with this issue and I was wondering how to fix that, and I checked out Google and it helped me in fixing this issue. So basically on your lens there are two modes, AF and MF. So currently it is manual focus. You just have to change it to autofocus. So just change it, and once you're done with that, you will be able to set the focus, touch focus, and if we'll change the mode to video, then you will see this servo AF. So this is how you solve your touch focus issue on your Canon 80D or any other Canon DSLRs.
Thanks a lot for watching our tutorial. In case you liked it, please leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.